Hello friends, in this video I will show you that how we can change style or interface of cPanel. So you can see my cPanel is open. So here you can see on the top right side your username, and there is a drop down menu. So if you click here, you can see there are several options, and one of them is change style. So if you click on change style, now you can see we have different styles like basic, dark, light, and the retro. So for instance, if you want to enable dark mode, dark style or dark interface, so you just click on apply and you can see it has been applied, and now you can see the cPanel interface is dark. So if I click on cPanel and the home page of cPanel, we can see also this is dark. If I again click here and click on change style, for instance if you want like light, so you can click on light and you can see now we have light interface. And for example, if you want to apply the old interface, that is retro, so you can also click here. Again it's loading. So change style, and you can also apply this retro, that is old interface of the cPanel, and you can see now we have this interface. So like this you can change the styles. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and also share the video with your friends.